Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. First, take your old phone and open WhatsApp. Go to the three dots menu and tap on Settings. From Settings, go to Chats. Inside the Chat section, look for an option called Transfer Chats. Tap on it and then tap Start. WhatsApp will now prepare your chat data for transfer on your new phone. Install WhatsApp from the App Store if it is not already installed. Enter the same phone number you were using on your old phone, and WhatsApp will ask how you want to restore your chats. Choose the option that says Transfer from Old Phone. At this point, your new phone will show a QR code on the screen. Go back to your old phone. WhatsApp will ask you to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code shown on the new phone. Once the code is scanned, both phones will ask for some permissions. Accept all the required permissions on both devices. The transfer process will now begin. Keep both phones unlocked and make sure WhatsApp stays open on both devices. Do not close the app or switch screens during the transfer. The time needed for the transfer depends on how many chats and media files you have. Thanks for watching.